What's going on, YouTube? It's Tim coming at you here on a late Sunday night. Went to a card show today. Still don't have any money. Still looking for a job, obviously. But I had a stack of trade bait I hadn't gotten rid of in a while, and brought that along. Dumped that off onto one seller and for cash, and got some stuff out of his. Priced his marked box for a bunch of cool inserts. Went through a couple other sellers' twin stuff, and also bought a box from the seller that I sold all the stuff to, which I'll do in this break as well, or in this video as well. Just a bunch of twins cards, and then I grabbed some random cards as well, just because I like the look of them out of the first seller's box. From 1997, Bowman's Best. Insert card mirror image. On one side it's Chipper Jones and Adrian Beltre. On the other it's Matt Williams and Russell Branyan. 1998 Donruss Collections. It's like a prism-looking card of Hideki Irabu. Shine's not going to turn up too well on it. This is actually a sample card. Thought that was cool. 96 Ultra Acetate Season Crowns. Frank Thomas. Let's see my face through the card there. From 2002, Gridiron Kings from Donruss, DK Originals, Mark Brunell. That's actually numbered 385 out of 1,000. From 1998, Donruss Preferred Title Waves die cut insert of Manny Ramirez, 1995 ALCS champion. That's also numbered 1423 out of 1995. From 1995 Donruss Elite Series Dante Bichette. That's numbered 8,999 out of 10,000. From, I don't know what this is, 1997 Donruss Exponential Power, Donruss Preferred Exponential Power die cut of Raul Mondesi. That's also numbered 2990 out of 3000. For the small HPC from 2002 Donruss Elite Series, and now that I look at it, it does say Yankees, but oh well. Jason Giambi. That's 1537 out of 2500. For the Bonds PC from 98 EX 2001 acetate insert card. This is from 98 Clear Metal. What up, Manny? Cut on the fly. Yeah, that's what it's called. Cut on the fly. This is from 1996 SPX Star Focus. From here. I can't see the year on it. Maybe 96. Topps Chrome, or 99 maybe. I can't read the year on it. Clout 9, Larry Walker. 2013 Elite Extra Edition Blue Status die cut 82 out of 100 for the ASPC Chris Kohler. Got a 1997 Fleer Metal Universe Titanium Die Cut Albert Bell. From 2000 Topps Gold Label Josh Hamilton. Then a few for the Twins PC. Got Minnesota PCs, I should say, from 15-16 NBA Hoops Gold Parallel Kevin Garnett. One of those hard to find ones that I don't have for this particular player. 2002 Donruss Diamond Kings Heritage Collection Kirby Puckett. Cool insert I didn't have. If I can find it. 96 looks like. 96 Pinnacle, Team Pinnacle. Insert card, Craig Biggio. And Chuck Knobloch. And then I didn't pick up a hit in particular. Promoter of the show, Eddie, has been holding this card for me for a few months. Because he's known I've been on hard times, and he's going to hold it until I could afford to pick it up. And today I found it in his display case. I just happened to ask him, hey, why is it in your display case? And he said, no. Didn't even realize that he had, when he was setting up this morning, he just put everything that was in his box that was supposed to go in the display case in the display case. Then shortly afterwards, he asked me, he said, would you be willing to pay for it? After seeing the sticker again that says $75 on it, I said, when I've got a job, I'll do $30. He goes, deal of the day, $10. And I said, deal. 2013 Bowman Chrome Prospect card of Jose Barrios is the red refractor. I don't know if it's going to be able to back it up. It's 4 of 5. So that was the last hit I picked up for the collection. Nice card there. And like I said, I stopped at, or the guy that I sold the box, or all my trade bait to, picked this up from him. He has a bunch of, boxes, and he had a $15 tag on this one, so I picked this up as part of our deal. In 1994 playoff, Mr. Brown bet us on the cover. Randomly inserted Barry Sanders collection 1994 headliners trading cards, pack details, bonus card included. And then I drop it, of course. On the back, apparently there's a chance at a redemption for a chance at a Gale Sayers autograph. Odds of finding Gale Sayers autograph cards in packs 1994 playoff are 1 in 12,096. And then I love this note at the very bottom of it. Still rings true 23 years later. Autograph cards are fun to collect, but are indeterminate value and are subject to the changing value or changing market conditions. So I figured I'll do this quick here. 16 packs. Hopefully they're not stuck together too badly, so that'll take a while. Inside the cover there, it's old school of Ricky Waters. 16 packs. Rookie or special insert card per pack. It doesn't look like it says how many packs or cards in a pack here. Alright, we got I'll show you the first pack here. Afterwards, I'll name off. I'll just name off the players. You got Shannon Sharp, Jim Kelly, who was his nephew, is Mr. Irrelevant in the draft this year. First rookie card, Antonio Langham. Of course, looking for like Marshall Faulk in this box. Got Bill Moss. Mark Collins. A card promoting next year's expansion team of the Carolina Panthers. Pat Summerall's Best of the NFL. Cortez Kennedy. And Ground Attack, Barry Foster. So that was pack 1. Like I said, I'll just name off the players, except for the inserts and rookies. I got Joe Montana, Pat Swilling, Rob Burnett. We got the #1 pick. I'm sure this would have been a big card back then. Dan Wilkinson. Drew Bledsoe, James Jett. Ground Attack of Chris Warren. So they're not too badly stuck together, at least anyway. I've got Tim Brown, Mark Carrier, Silver Playoff Club, not the autograph, Gale Sayers, Rick Meyer, Junior Seau, what up, Dave, Dana Stubblefield, checklist card of Sterling Sharp, and Best of the NFL of Pat Summerall of Mark Stepnoski. Let's see. Next pack, John Copeland, Jason Elam. Rookie card of Aaron Glenn. What up, Manny? Bill Bates, Anthony Miller. Nice card here for the Vikings collection. Jim McMahon from his 1 year with the team. Got another Ground Attack card. This one is of Ricky Waters. And a checklist card. I believe that's John Taylor. Next, got Lorenzo White for the Vikings PC. Also now the head coach of the soon-to-be Las Vegas Raiders, Jack Del Rio. Got George Teague. Playoff Club insert. What up? This film not yet rated. Of course, this is senior, not junior. Clay Matthews. Dion Figures. 94 Sack Attack. Minister of Defense, Reggie White. And another Ground Attack insert of Edgar Bennett. So there's a couple of cards stuck together in every pack, but it's not, like I said, it's not too bad. Got the base card Reggie White. There you go. Wenzel. This will be going in your stack. I'm sure you'll love it. Nice little punter card of Mike Saxon with the Patriots. Rookie card of the receiver, Derek Alexander. So not the Vikings defensive end, who I believe was the next year anyway. Chris Chandler with the Cardinals. Tom Rathman. Oh, this is a nice insert. Of ground attack of Emmitt Smith. These aren't inserts, I guess they're subsets. Keith Hamilton. And best of the NFL, Bob Cratch. Crotch, whatever. Shane Conlon, Webster Slaughter, 94 rookie, Burt Emanuel, Falcons, Rodney Peete, Steve Berline, Mike Sherrard, ground attack of Gary Brown. These cards do have some damage to them, so not, even if I was a grader, probably not really worth it. So yeah, guys, job hunt is still ongoing. I've got an interview tomorrow at 1:30. Should be hearing back from another job tomorrow that I had an interview that went really well. Yeah, a rookie card of Shane Carver. Started with a temp agency last week. Done one night with them so far. Did an overnight, and just it's thrown off my sleeping patterns ever since I just woke up from a 3-hour nap just a little bit ago, and probably will not fall asleep again tonight. Checklist card with Quadri Ismail on it, and a Pat Summerall Best of the NFL of Ken Norton. Hopefully something comes about soon. Back into this hobby more. I'd love to buy more cards, of course. Pay bills, of course. Russell Copeland, Pete Metzelaars, Quentin Coriat to go in Tom's deck. Another would have been big back then. Rookie card of Heath Schuler. I remember watching, was it a 30 for 30 or something on Heath Schuler, and talking about how the Redskins actually found their quarterback of the future in the 7th round, not the 1st round when they drafted Gus Frerotte as well. Guy McIntyre, Best of the NFL, 49ers. Just a little fun trip down memory lane. Carl Pickens, Warren Moon, rookie card of Jeff Burris, Bills. John Taylor, base, Kevin Green, future NFL player. The long snapper, the superstar for the Vikings PC, Mike Morris. Now he's making used card commercials down in the cities. Pat Summerall's Best of the NFL, Michael Irvin. And a ground attack of Von Hebron, Eagles. What up, Matt? If you want that, that's yours. Michael Jackson on the front here, the Browns wide receiver. This one's a little bit more stuck together than the other ones have been. Michael Jackson. Don't matter if you're black or white. Rob Moore. Don Beebe. Rookie of Shelby Hill. Was a Cowboys rookie that year, apparently. Johnny Mitchell. Patrick Bates. Sack attack of, who was that? Keith Hamilton. Giants. And ground attack of Ron Moore. You know, these cards are pretty well chipped. Not worth grading at all. Yeah, 5 more packs here, guys. If you haven't turned off the video yet. What do they call this? Tech Chrome. This is what they're calling the technology that they used on it. Andre Reed, Mark Stepnoski base, rookie card of Toby Wright for the Rams, Craig Erickson, Eric Kramer, Frank Wycheck. Isn't he a... Apparently he was in 93, he was a Redskin. I remember him for the Titans or the Oilers for most of his career. Okay. Garrison Hurst and a Pat Summerall insert of Mark Collins for the Giants. If anybody collects any certain teams, there's a few people that I know most of these will go to, or some of these will go to. I know, like the Colts will go to Tom, Patriots will go to Everett. But if anybody wants anything else, feel free to ask. Anthony Smith, Bruce Smith, Rahib, the Rocket Ishmael, Darnay Scott for the Bengals, rookie. Heath Sherman, Todd Kelly, best of the NFL, Reggie White. And there's another one for Tom, speaking of. Ground attacks of Roosevelt Potts. Kind of hoping for a Folk rookie card, but nothing so far. Well, there's somebody I missed when I was running off names for the Falcons. Andre Rison. What up, Michael? This will go out to you if you don't. Next time I see you. Jim Everett. Another big one. Did win a Super Bowl, I guess, but with the defense he had that year, anybody could have won a Super Bowl. Rookie card of Trent Dilfer for the Bucks. Dwight Stone. Vincent Dansby or Brisby. It's a different color. I doubt anything different. Best of the NFL, Jerome Bettis. Future Bus. And another best of the NFL of Barry Sanders. Let's check a pack here quick and see if it mentions any. No. Just says Pat Summerall's best of the NFL. It doesn't say best of the NFL gold or anything like that. Well, there's a piece of styrofoam in here that has a sticker on it that says remove to find bonus cards. So here's that bonus card they were talking about. I'll get that. Last year, we got Nick Lowry, Lincoln Coleman, rookie card of Bucky Brooks, Leroy Butler, Jerry Rice base, Fred Stokes, Andy Harmon, and a ground attack of Glenn Milburn. One last pack, guys, and then we'll find out what my bonus card is. Touchdown Tommy Wardell, Irv Smith, and there's a rookie for the PC. Offensive lineman Todd Stussy. Desmond Howard with the Redskins. Mike Pritchard. Got another logo card for the Jaguars. The original logo. And a best John Freeze and a best of the NFL, Mel Gray. So, remove to find bonus card. As a back to school insert of Dana Stubblefield. So that was anticlimactic. Oh well. Yeah, guys, that is it. Like I said, nothing coming in because I don't have any money to spend on cards right now. Just having to look out, I found a seller willing to buy my junk. And got to have a little fun with that box break. Like I said, outside of Falcons, Patriots, and Colts, anybody's interested in anything else, just let me know. And I'll set those aside for you and ship them when I've got the cash to mail. Vikings, of course, too, are staying in the PC. And thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk to you next time I have something to talk to you about. All right, later.